So good morning to all. Hope you all are doing great. So today in this video we'll be discussing about Make Money Organic Share. So we'll see the company fundamentals and we'll also discuss about the technicals of the company, so which will be very important. So this particular share was recommended by one of our subscribers. So he also mentioned almost 32 minutes back. So I felt like I immediately need to update about this particular stock so that no one will have any clarity. So I'm speeding up my process so that immediately I'm updating videos from now onwards so that everything will be clear to my viewers. So we'll see everything about the company, we'll see fundamentals, shareholding pattern, mutual fund holdings, everything will be covered. So watch the video till the end so that you'll not miss any update. Okay, if you see the current market price of this particular stock is around 69.45. You can see almost it has closed in positive movement. So we know that the stock almost has not given any great returns till now because it has remained in a consolidation phase. Okay, it has almost made a bottom of 35 rupees and later it has shown movement. But now after the results were declared, even though they were negative, the stock has started showing some movement. So if you see the market cap of it, you can see the market cap is almost around 1700 crores. And if you see, the interesting thing is that it's not a run up stock. If we see any chemical stock, you can see almost they have given huge returns in very short span of time, especially specialty chemicals. So if you see, this particular stock belongs to pesticides and agrochemicals. So if you see, industry P itself is around 47.10 and you can see current P is only 9.14. So we can say it is present at very low value only and it has not given any huge run up. Okay, and if you see, deliveries are not that interesting, it's almost around 27.50. So this is the basic overview of it. Okay, next when we see the stock journey, you can see almost when it has started so many years back, 10 years back, when it has started its journey, and when the BJP government has come, you can see the stock how it has gave a move. Almost it has gone to 120 plus, but later again it has started correcting, and now currently when it has made the 32 rupees bottom, now it is showing some sort of retracement. So if the previous high, that is almost around 120 130, if it breaks that, then definitely a all-time high may also be created. But for that, the result should also cooperate. So the results were not that great, so we'll discuss that as well. Okay, next when we see the shareholding of this particular company, you can see the public is having almost 47% and you can see promoter is having almost 51.3%. So management wise, when we discuss about this particular company, you can see the promoter has kept his particular stake constant without doing any sort of selling. So if you see the historical promoter holding, you can see from 2018, okay, he has not sold anything, but he has kept the stake constant. That is a very good indication for any particular company. So 50 plus is good, and he also kept that particular stake constant. So that is one good thing about the company. Okay, next when we see the mutual fund holdings, so when we see mutual fund holding side, we can see that not much mutual fund holding is there. Only one company is holding, that is ICICI Prudential Life. So that is having stake in this particular company, and it has been holding the particular shares in this particular company without doing any selling. So buying was not seen by any new mutual fund houses and selling was also not seen. So only holding is there. So that is also a good thing, but buying should happen only when the financials of the company are good. So we'll see the financials, will compare with the previous quarters as well. Okay, if you see the quarterly financials, when you see the June 2020 quarter, that is quarter one results, you can see the revenue has been dropped out. So almost 29.35% there was a downfall, and even the net income has almost reduced to 50%. So diluted EPS, net profit margin, so everything has come down. So if we compare this particular stock with another chemical stocks, you can see they have given very good results because the business might differ. So don't compare this particular stock with another. So business may be different. So this particular stock is totally belongs to agrochemicals, and other particular stocks. If you compare IOL chemicals, so these particular stocks which have given huge run up almost from 120 rupees, you can see they have reached almost to 850 plus. So that is because the business varies, so we can't compare like that. But valuation wise, if we see, and if we see PE wise, this particular stock is present at a very less value only. And you can see quarter results were not that great. Okay, so business was affected during the COVID period as well. Okay, next if we see the March 2020, that is quarter 4, and if we compare with the quarter 1, you can see the revenue in March 2020 decreased, but the net income has increased. So diluted EPS, net profit margin, so you can see everything has increased. So we can say that the COVID, due to the COVID issue only, the business of this particular company was affected. Okay, so we'll see the levels, so we'll see the technicals where we can have a best entry in this particular stock. So if we see the volume analysis, which I discuss in my each and every video, because it is a sort of very important thing that I need to focus. So when we see that, we can see on 14th August 2020, you can see traded quantity was heavy. The stock almost hit the upper circuit. Let's say almost it reached the 70 and 71, not upper circuit, almost it has given 4 to 5% up move, but later it has started falling because even the market also has corrected. Okay, so if you see traded quantity was present, and you can see the deliverable quantity is also increasing, almost to 43.2% is seen. And if we compare with the weekly, monthly and 6 months, you can see it is more as compared to all those. Okay, so that was also indication that this stock has shown little movement. So we'll see the best level. So currently it is present at a good level only, and also we'll see the next supports and resistances. So before that, if we see the indicators, that is the RSI and money flow index, and we can see that RSI is almost around 67.1 and money flow index is almost around 80.8. So this particular stock in short term has given a good move, but not that amount of returns were given. So further move will be possible, definitely move is there, but you need to watch the levels. So whenever RSI is below 30, it is called oversold, and whenever it is 70 above, okay, it is called a overbought. So what is overbought? Whenever excess buying happens, it is called overbought, and whenever it goes 30 below and excess selling happens, it is called oversold. From oversold region only reversal, that is bounce back happens. So just for knowledge purpose. And other thing, you can see that money flow index is in the overbought region, so it's continuing in that region, so we can't do anything. Almost all the chemical stocks are in that range only because the demand for them in this particular situation is very high. Okay, next when we see on 1 day chart, okay, what we can see on 1 day chart, the current market price is almost around 69.45. so if you see about this stock, it's currently facing resistance near 71.65. okay, so almost on Friday also it tried to break that level, but later it has faced some resistance and again it has started falling. So one good thing is that it is trading above its moving averages, that is 20 EMA and 50 EMA. So red color one is the 20 EMA and green color one is the 50 EMA. So if it corrects a little bit, then definitely you can watch for this 65 rupees level. So definitely if you want, you can enter in this stock, and very good move will also be seen. But only thing is that the money flow index is in overbought region. But if you backtest this particular thing, you can see almost it has remained in that region for almost months. If you see from this is from June, I guess. So from June, no, this is for August 14th. From that time, it has remained in that region. Okay. So if we see the 1 week chart, so that's what I want to tell. 1 week chart, you can see that from, you can see here from June, okay, from June it has remained in that overbought region, and it's continuing its journey. So currently it's facing the resistance near the 73 as well as 70 plus levels, it is facing the resistance. So if you get a chance to invest at 60 rupees or 65 rupees, then definitely you can enter. Okay, so mainly focus on the levels and invest in small quantities. Okay, results were not that great, so that was only the negative for this particular company. So rest of all, everything is fine. So if you want to enter, focus on the levels and then only enter. Okay, so 65 in near term, it's very good, then definitely you can enter. So this is all about Make Money Organics Limited. So next video will discuss about another share. So if any share analysis you want, do mention that in the comment section. Okay, so until then, take care. Bye bye.